Okay, so welcome, and now we're going to talk about cofunctions. So we talked about cofunctions before, so remember, just to recap here, so we have the right triangle, we have theta, and then we have pi minus theta, or excuse me, not pi, pi over 2. Pi over 2 minus theta. So again, remember, of a right triangle, these two angles are complementary angles, and we found that we can have these cofunctions, sine with cosine, tangent with cotangent, secant with cosecant, and they're related to the two angles here within the triangle. Because if we have a sine, right, sine of this angle is opposite over hypotenuse. But if I take this angle here, that would be the same as cosine of this angle. So we set these up as cofunctions, okay? And we worked with these identities before. So now we can use, now that we've talked about sum and differences of sines and sum of difference formulas for cosines and tangent, we can now use this as well. In fact, we can use the sum and difference formula to show that these identities are valid. For example, if we look at this, well, we can say that this is equal to what? Cosine of pi over 2 cosine of theta plus cosine, sine of pi over 2 times sine, times sine theta. And so what happens here? Well, what's the cosine of pi over 2, or the cosine of 90 degrees? That's going to be 0. So this is going to be 0 times cosine of theta, which is a 0, plus, well, what's the sine of 90 degrees? That's 1. So we get 1 times sine theta. Well, this, of course, just goes to 0. 1 times sine theta is just sine theta. And there you go. Sine theta is equal to cosine of pi over 2 minus theta. Okay? Okay, so now we'll go back forward and do some examples. Have a good day.